Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best concrete floor paint options that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're refinishing your garage, basement, or outdoor patio, choosing the right paint is crucial for durability and aesthetics. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Tapple 3-in-1 Epoxy Floor Coating. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $28.99, which makes it an excellent choice for DIYers looking for great value. Its standout feature is its all-in-one formula, combining primer, paint, and clear coat in a single step, no sanding or etching required. Plus, its thickened epoxy formula is specially designed to bond directly to concrete, metal, and even old coatings. It's ideal for high-traffic areas like garages and warehouses, as it resists hot tire pickup, chemical spills, and impacts up to 5,000 pounds. The matte slip-resistant finish is a practical touch, reducing slips by 60%, while its UV-resistant formula ensures long-lasting color without fading or yellowing. Now, while the Tapple floor coating is a great option for smaller spaces, it covers just 54 square feet per container. It may not be the best choice for larger-scale projects. Additionally, while the self-leveling formula is user-friendly, it may not offer the same durability as higher-end epoxy coatings for extremely heavy-duty applications. But for $28.99, this is a solid choice for residential garages or basements. Tapple's 3-in-1 epoxy floor coating is the perfect blend of affordability and functionality for smaller projects. Coming in at number 4 is the Rust-Oleum 367604 Home Interior Floor Coating Kit in Semi-Gloss Charcoal Gray. Rust-Oleum is a trusted name in coatings, and this product doesn't disappoint. Its water-based formula adheres to a wide variety of surfaces, including concrete, ceramic tiles, hardwood, and vinyl, without the need for stripping or sanding, saving you a ton of prep time. The two-part system includes a base coat and top coat, giving your floors a durable and stylish semi-gloss finish. What's great about this kit is its versatility. Whether you're updating a kitchen, bathroom, or basement, the customizable colors allow you to mix or stencil for a unique look. However, coverage is limited to just 100 square feet per kit, which means you'll likely need multiple kits for larger spaces. The dry time is also worth noting. It's ready for light foot traffic after 24 hours. But full curing takes several days, so plan your project timeline accordingly. While it's not the cheapest option, its ease of application and wide surface compatibility make it an excellent choice for smaller interior renovations. Rust-Oleum delivers a solid, durable finish with an on-trend aesthetic, making it a great mid-tier option. Ranked at number 3, we have the Glidden Grab-and-Go Porch and Floor Interior Exterior Paint. Priced at $37.47, this paint strikes a balance between affordability and performance. It offers a satin finish and boasts excellent durability, resisting scratches, scuffs, and fading over time. With its ready-mixed formulation, it's user-friendly and perfect for DIY enthusiasts. It covers up to 350 square feet per gallon, making it a great choice for medium to large areas like patios, basements, or porches. Another key benefit is its fast drying time. It's touch dry in just 2 to 4 hours and ready for recoating in 8 hours. While Glidden's paint works well on multiple surfaces like concrete, wood, and metal, it may not provide the industrial-grade toughness required for heavy-duty applications like garages or warehouses. Additionally, its satin finish can become slippery when wet, so it's best suited for areas where moisture isn't a concern. Overall, Glidden Grab-and-Go offers reliable performance, ease of use, and good coverage, making it an excellent mid-range option for residential projects. At number 2 is the Kilz Low Luster Enamel Porch and Patio Latex Floor Paint. Known for its premium quality, Kilz delivers a durable, long-lasting finish that is ideal for both interior and exterior applications. Its advanced 100% acrylic latex formula creates a moisture-resistant surface that withstands scuffing, fading, cracking, and peeling, even in variable weather conditions, covering up to 400 square feet on smooth surfaces per gallon. It's perfect for larger areas like patios, decks, or basements. The satin silver gray finish offers a clean, modern look, while its quick drying time, touch dry in just 1 hour, makes it convenient for weekend projects. However, it's worth noting that this paint isn't recommended for areas subject to automotive tires, limiting its use in garages. Additionally, the surface can become slippery when wet, so it's best suited for areas where moisture is minimal. With its proven durability and trusted brand reputation, Kil's Low Luster Enamel is an excellent choice for residential applications that require a polished finish and weather resistance. Finally, taking the top spot is the Incel X CST 29209A-01 Toughcrete Waterborne Acrylic Concrete Stain Paint. Priced at $48.99, this premium option offers unmatched durability and versatility. Designed for both interior and exterior use, its acrylic formula is perfect for concrete, stucco, and brick surfaces, whether vertical or horizontal. What sets Toughcrete apart is its ability to be applied as either a one-coat stain or a two-coat opaque finish, giving you flexibility depending on your project needs. It resists fading, detergents, oils, and grease, ensuring long-lasting performance even in high-traffic areas. Covering up to 400 square feet per gallon, this paint is ideal for large projects like driveways, patios, or commercial spaces. Its fast-drying formula allows for quicker project turnaround, and the durable finish withstands scrubbing and cleaning. While the price is on the higher end, the value is undeniable for those seeking industrial-grade toughness. Incel X delivers the best combination of performance, durability, and aesthetic appeal, making it the ultimate choice for concrete floor paint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your options for concrete floor paint. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about these products or need more advice, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy painting!